ध्यान से चलो.
Mind your step. Mind your step.
सबको बाहर निकालो.
Get everybody out. Get everybody out.
चाहे जो हो जाए.
Come what may. Come what may.
अपने आप को बाहर निकालो.
Knock yourself out. Knock yourself out.
तुम बहुत कंजूस हो.
You are so clingy. You are so clingy.
ध्यान में रखो.
Bear in mind. Bear in mind.
इसको इस्तेमाल करें.
Use this one. Use this one.
सुनकर अच्छा लगा.
Good to hear that. Good to hear that.
अब इनकार मत करो.
Don't deny now. Don't deny now.
बात छोड़ो.
Drop the matter. Drop the matter.
मोटा मत हो.
Don't get fat. Don't get fat.
वहाँ जल्दी पहुँचो.
Get there early. Get there early.
इसने ऊपर देखा.
He looked up. He looked up.
आप उसे ले जाइए.
You carry this. You carry this.
किसने आपको ठोकर मारी?
Who hit you? Who hit you?
कौन हैं वो?
Who are they? Who are they?
ये दोबारा हो रहा है.
It's happening again. It's happening again.
आपने पता लगा लिया.
You find out. You find out.
जाओ वो ले आओ.
Go get that. Go get that.
उसे अभी ठीक करें.
Fix that right now. Fix that right now.
ये करेगा.
It will do. It will do.
किसी भी तरह करो.
Do it anyhow. Do it anyhow.
उसे बाहर भेज दो.
Send him out. Send him out.
उसे मुझ पर छोड़ दो.
Leave it up to me. Leave it up to me.
जरा पीछे हटी.
Just back away. Just back away.
जाओ और बैठो.
Go and sit down. Go and sit down.
वहाँ जल्दी पहुँचो.
Get there early. Get there early.
वो देर से पहुँचा.
He arrived late. He arrived late.
कुछ ठीक नहीं लगता.
Nothing feels right. Nothing feels right.
क्या आप मौजूद हैं?
Are you there? Are you there?
वक्त पर पहुँची.
Reach on time. Reach on time.
किसी ने अभी फोन किया.
Somebody just called. Somebody just called.
ये बहुत है.
This is much. This is much.
घर में कोई नहीं था.
Nobody was home. Nobody was home.
उसे सब कुछ बता दो.
Tell him everything. Tell him everything.
ये सब ले लो.
Take it all. Take it all.
उसे बंद कर दो.
Knock it off. Knock it off.
पुरसुकून बने रहो.
Play it cool. Play it cool.
वो मुझे हंसाता है.
He makes me laugh. He makes me laugh.
अपने आंसू पूछ लो.
Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears.